Being rejected or unsupported by those close to you can be a sad and isolating experience. You can get doubtful looks and advice to give up or try something different. It's critical to keep your distance from those in your life who are unsupportive or hateful. Consider a 2-foot-tall pot being used to grow an oak tree seed. The environment will strangle the seed, preventing it from reaching its full potential. The environment is the only factor restricting the seed's growth. The seed itself is in perfect health. In a similar vein, don't let your surroundings limit your potential. People may judge you and label you as weird or quirky if you attempt to be exceptional. True leaders, however, take it in stride and continue on. It requires guts to pursue your goals despite negative feedback from others. Nobody requires you to defend or justify your decisions. Work towards your objectives even if it involves dealing with disappointment, rejection, or uncertainty. Keep in mind that you have the power to shape your life, not what others think or what the circumstances need. When you try to be different, be prepared for pushback, confusion, and criticism from people who are normal. But as Frank Sinatra often remarked, the best retaliation is great success. Let your accomplishments speak for itself instead of murdering them with kindness. Although it requires courage, the payoff is worthwhile.